OMG, hey, I'm having trouble finding my classmates' pulse when taking blood pressure. Any tips? Okay, so you're having trouble finding a pulse when taking blood pressure. So you mean the brachial artery? You're having trouble finding it? It's on the inner arm. I will tell you this, Deja. One thing I notice with people, and I don't know, I'm not saying you do this, but this is one of the things that I notice. It's hard for me to answer your question without being able to show you, Deja, but I'm gonna try. But one of the things that I notice with some people, they have the stethoscope in the wrong spot. They'll have it like in the middle or on the outer arm. Remember, the brachial artery is toward the inner arm. So just make sure, if you haven't already, Deja, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and look at my blood pressure video, and I'll show you where to place your stethoscope. So that's one thing I will say, that some people are placing their stethoscope wrong. And then also make sure you can actually hear through your stethoscope as well. So it's hard for me to say, but yeah, just make sure you have your stethoscope placed correctly. Make sure you have your fingers placed correctly. And sometimes you got to feel around, because sometimes you may not feel the pulse right away. You got to kind of feel around, Deja. Even when you're taking radial pulse, like sometimes for some people, you got to feel around. Some people's pulse is not as it's not as strong as others. Some people have like a really faint pulse, and sometimes you got to feel around. So that's one thing I'll say too, is just kind of take your time and then try different classmates too.